everybody, Dizzy Crafter here. I'm really wanting to get into sublimation. I have never ever done it, so I thought I would start filming my journey on this process. As you can see, I've got a new printer here. I've just left all the tape on so you could see that it was brand new. And this is the ET-2826 made by EPSON. I got it on Currys, and I'm sure you can get it on lots of other websites too. I have also done a bit of research, as in like the ink that you need, because I need to convert this, because this comes with inkjet ink, but I also needed some sublimation ink, because if I put the normal ink in this it would never be a sublimation printer. I'm a bit nervous about doing it because this costs £200, this printer itself. And then I bought the conversion kit from Ink Experts, and that come with the ink. It also come with some refillable bottles so that you can easily use this, and it also come with some sublimation paper, because you need sublimation paper from what I've gathered from watching other videos. I went with Ink Experts because they basically give you an ICC, and a lot of the people that sell the sublimation ink don't give you an ICC, so it was a bit I've not got the ICC code as yet. I'm going to have to contact them, but I'm going to still crack on because I'm eager to get on and do this and have a go at it. So the first things I need to do is actually put all this ink and transfer it all into these bottles. So with the ink you get 4 colours. Oops. And you get a black, a magenta, a yellow and a cyan, and then we also got the refillable one, so that it's going to go on the printer because it's a special head that needs to connect. Not sure if these are labelled up per colour or not, so I need to check that. Oh no, so you just tick here on what colour it is, and they must do other colours because there's a L cyan and an L magenta, so that might be for printers that take more than 4 colours, but this just literally takes the 4. And it also gives you directions here how to do it, so we just got to pour it in basically. I'm going to go light to dark. It's pretty easy, like it's just transferring it from one bottle to another. I'm wondering if these, no, they won't go on. It was worth a try though. I can't quite fit all the yellow in, but I can do it once I've loaded it anyway. So that's the yellow done, and then I'm just going to crack on and do the rest. You don't need to see me do all that. So I've done my bottles, and I have actually like ticked off the colour on the side, because although like you can tell this is yellow and you can kind of tell this is like the magenta, you can't really tell that much with the black and the cyan, so it is important that you label them up because it's too easy to get them mixed up as far as I'm concerned. So the next thing I need to do is remove all this tape from the printer itself. I got all the tape off. I had to struggle to try and get this up because the instructions here don't match the actual printer that I have, so it was a bit of a dumb move for the actual company to put the wrong picture on there, but we got there in the end. So the next thing we need to do is flip this open, and you can see, I don't know if you can see here, but you've got like, it's telling you the black, yellow, magenta and cyan. And you've got to flip each one open like that. So this is the black, so we need to find the black, and then we just unhook this, and then it needs to go inside here for it to connect, and then I can hear it already plugging in, and you'll probably see it here filling up. So I'll fill all this up and then we'll get back to the next step. Hopefully you can see here all the tanks have all been filled up, and I've made sure that each one of these are all closed. So the next thing to do is actually plug it in. I plugged it in and we turned it on, but I'm going to have to come around the front to read what the instructions say on the little LCD. It's asking are we in English. I can remove this film actually, I didn't remove that, and it is okay, yes, and it says finish setup using EPSON Smart Panel app. I don't have that, so I'm going to press new, and now it's saying it's preparing. Start initialisation, confirm that the tank is filled with ink. Yes, it is. Now this takes about 11 minutes, it's very noisy, so I'll get back to you shortly. Now it says the initialisation is complete, so I press OK. And it says align the print head to get the best print quality. I'm going to be using my sublimation paper because obviously this is a sublimation machine. I'm not sure if you can just use copier paper for this, but I don't actually want to risk it, so I'm going to put this in and go through the motions. I'm not actually sure which side you're meant to print on. I thought there might have been a thing on the back, but there's nothing, so I'm just going to put it in and hope for the best. Right, so this is what I've got printed out, and it's asking are there any missing alignments, and I'm going to press yes because it's quite a lot jaggedy. Clean print head is head to correct missing dots. Okay. Load A4 size plain paper in the rear feeder to start printing, and then we'll start that again. Okay, right, I think I've got like a printer set up. I've just bobbed onto my Cricut Design Space. Unfortunately, this is a really old laptop and I have no idea how you screen record. And the reason I'm not going on my laptop and not my Mac is because the ink didn't come with the ICC. I'm not sure if I said that earlier or not. I still don't know where this ICC is, or like I say, I'll have to contact them. So I'm just going to print a few bits up off from Cricut. I'm not bothered if I fill the sheet or whatever because it's just a test anyway. So what I'm going to do is going to press this and start the printing. Well, I finally got something to print. I'm sorry I didn't film it. I'm not exactly computer literate as such, so I did need some help because I just thought I could just print and go, and that's not the case. I needed a wire, a USB wire and stuff, and my other half helped me, so I didn't want to be on film. So we've printed our first one, so the thing to do now is we need to cut this up and then we can put it on our mug press. Well, I've actually gone to do the editing of this video and then realised I didn't actually finish the filming because I had some technical issues, as in the tumbler press I bought will not accept the mugs that I bought, because I bought the 15-ounce Cricut mugs and it just wouldn't fit in there. So I've not been able to actually do any mugs. So now I've got some mugs that will fit inside the tumbler press I've bought. We're going to print it out, which I've just finished the printing of the design I'm going to do, and then I'm going to pop it on a mug, and then once I've popped it in I shall then show you the results. Well, I've finally done my first mug in my tumbler press using the sublimating printer, sharing what cup I've done. So I don't want to think that I've got this mug right first time, because I haven't. Like I say, I didn't realise I hadn't completed this video until I went to edit it. So basically what happened was the tumbler press I bought the mugs that was too big for it, so then I've ended up going buying a Cricut mug press in the meantime, because there was a good deal on the Facebook marketplace. and I really wanted to make mugs for my family and friends over the Christmas period. So but this is my first time using the tumbler press, and the first time actually doing the 12-ounce mugs, which have turned out better than any of the 15-ounce mugs that I did do over the Christmas period. Maybe the pressure of the time got to me, I don't know, but this one has definitely turned out better. They've got crisper lines and stuff using that mug press. But yeah, I'm really impressed with this. I will give you a close-up of the mug. I mean, it is very brownish because that's the colours I wanted. I wanted like a steampunk style mug. That was mine. And I was just kind of rabbiting on. So yes, this was a fantastic machine. It's not let me down. I've done, I think it was 32 mugs I think I did at Christmas. I also did a few other bits and bats, but it was mainly the mugs. I've had no issues with it so far. I do believe that you are meant to like print something off it in colour like at least once a week, otherwise it can cause clogging. I've not had an issue where I've not actually used it for 1 week, so I will put a reminder up. And I also believe you can send yourself an email if you leave it plugged in all the time, and it'll print something else as well for you. You just got to make sure there's some paper in there. But I'm really impressed with this printer, and I'm so glad I went with this and not spending hundreds and hundreds of pounds on a sublimation printer. That said, I have been looking on Facebook Marketplace for one that may come up like a sawgrass or whatever, but I don't see the point in buying a sawgrass that's A4. I feel like I need to get like at least the A3 one. Because I'm quite happy with this one, and it's been a little working gem over the Christmas period, and I'm sure I'm going to be making lots more goodies with it in the future as well. I plan to do some like coasters, some earrings and tumblers and just all kinds of stuff. I'm so excited to start this journey, and I'd really hope if you following me on my journey with this. I've obviously been logging quite a lot of the videos. Won't log everything, but I'll try my best to log as much as I can, so I can personally see how far I've come, if I can get like to be a really good level at doing it. Anyway, again, I'm rabbiting, and I just would like to say a huge thank you for watching this video, and please comment, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye!